Hey, I'm Grant Stahla.
And I'm Erin.
Thanks for trusting us with your restroom trailer needs.
Before we dive too far into your rental, we want to make sure to address some of the top troubleshooting questions you might have. We also want to say a huge thank you. It's people like you that make our small family-owned business even possible. In case the toilet ever gets clogged, we have a declogging plunger stick located in the mechanical room or in the stall. Just press down on the foot pedal flusher and push the waste and paper products down like you would a plunger. Push the stick straight down into the waste tank.
When the trailer doesn't show signs of having power, there are a few things that could be the culprit. 90% of the time, the problem is the building or the source of the power. This means that something else is plugged into the same circuit as the trailer. In order to resolve this, you will need to unplug the other items that are pulling power from that same circuit, otherwise you will keep tripping the circuit breaker. The majority of the remaining issues could be a few different things. Make sure that the correct breaker switches inside of the mechanical room are switched on. One important thing to know is to make sure you don't have the heaters turned on at the same time as the air conditioning. These trailers are built to run either the AC or the heat, but not both of them at the same time.
If you're using the internal water tank as a water supply, you could be out of water. Check the mechanical room on the backside of the trailer and see if the water tank has any water in it. If there isn't, switch the pumps off so they don't burn up. If there is water in the tank, but you still don't have water to the trailer, make sure the pumps are turned on. Generally, a couple of switches labeled pump number 1, pump number 2. If the pumps are on and you have water in the tank, you will need to make sure the proper valves are open to allow the water to flow. If you are using a garden hose to supply water to the trailer, make sure the spigot or water source is turned on and water is actually flowing. Sometimes someone unhooks the hose or shuts the water off to the trailer without anyone knowing about it.
If you're having issues with the foot flusher not being able to come back up, you might have a broken foot flusher. At this point, the best thing to do is shut the stall down. To do that, you're going to want to turn the valve behind the toilet off to make sure that it's not going to overflow and affect the rest of the stalls, and then go ahead and lock the door. You could also turn the handle in and put the steps up so that everyone knows the stall is shut down. If you're using the trailer for more than one day, be sure to call a Stahla team member so we can help further troubleshoot. Once again, we want to say thank you for using Stahla services. Be sure to reach out. We would love to hear from you.
We hope you're just as excited as we are about your restroom trailer rental. We know you're going to love it.